Whatever. So the good folks over at NewAir sent me this 84 can capacity mini fridge. I'm going to tell you guys about what I like about it, some of the features here, and just kind of give you my overall impressions of it. I've had it now for a couple of weeks. Spoiler alert, I really like it. They did send this to me for free for review, just for full disclosure, for the sake of full disclosure. But hold on, and I'll show you some of the things I really already like about this. Okay, so you can see up here they've got a dial. I'm not going to zoom in real tight. You can take my word for it. It goes from 1 to 7, 7 being the lowest temperature setting. And I will tell you, I set it on 7 for a day, and I came in with my little gun thermometer. My gun thermometer over here. And it got cans and 2-liter bottles and different beverage containers down to about 35 degrees. So this thing gets really cold. I keep it on about 5 or 5.5, and we're talking like high 30s temperature. So this thing gets really cold. It's small, but it does a good job of getting stuff down to a low temperature. These racks are movable, which, you know, that's not anything out of the ordinary, but under one configuration you can fit 84 cans, but you don't have to do that. You can put smaller stuff in here. I have this configured. This is like a 3/4 length or 2/3 length shelf down here, and if you put this one on the bottom, then you can fit taller stuff here. Let me pan down. You see the setup they got here with the bar. So you can keep bigger stuff down here. That's my point. So if you want to configure this for larger containers and not just 12-ounce cans, you have the capacity to do that. Now this thing has a light in here, which, and there's the energy guide information. I just kept that on there for you guys. This thing doesn't use a whole lot of energy. But you could turn the light on if you're looking for something a little bit more spectacular looking. And just because I had it open there for that length of time, you get some fog, but normally it's clear in there. So there is kind of a nice presentation factor if you're the type of person that you want to draw attention. You got like a wet bar, a man cave, something like that, and you want to keep this there and draw attention to, oh, there's a mini fridge over there. You can keep that light on. The thing I like about this, probably one of the biggest things I like about this, my toolbox here is 24 inches deep, and this thing easily sits on top of my toolbox. I have it all the way out to the edge of the top there, but there's a good 4 inches of room in the back. So this thing is really low profile. This is the smallest model they make, the 84 can. I know they make at least 2 versions that are larger than this, but this is perfect for what I wanted. And when they asked me about it, I said, well, you can send me one, but make sure you send me your smallest refrigerator, because that's really what I would like to try out. If you're a guy, if you work at a shop, maybe you could keep this on top of your toolbox. Maybe you're at a place where you don't have access to another refrigerator. This thing's small enough to where you can use it that way. Though I don't know. With the glass door, if there are other people who work, they might walk by, they might see your stuff in there, and who knows. They might constantly be wanting to borrow stuff. I know in some of the larger versions, at least one of the larger versions, they do have a locking door. This one does not have that. So, man cave, wet bar, shop, maybe just out in your garage. This is really cool. Really nice to have. It gets stuff good and cold. Now let's talk about price, because I'm always concerned about price. This thing regularly runs for $250, and I will leave links to it down in the description. But what links will I leave? Well, I'll tell you right now, the best way to buy this through their website, through NewAir's website, is if you go there, they'll give you a 20% off coupon if you sign up for their mailing list. So that takes this from $200 or $250 down to $200, which is not unreasonable at all, I think, for what you're getting. I looked at other options. This is, you know, looks pretty high end. You got the stainless steel, the clear door there, clear glass door. It does a really good job. So $200, not bad, all things considered, and 20% better than $250. So why not do that? Also, if you use my coupon code down there, that'll give you 15% off. So it's kind of an either-or proposition. So I'll leave all the information down there. But like I say, easiest way to do this is go to their website and sign up for their email list. And here we are in late July of 2018. And last I checked, that was still an option that was available, 20% off coupon. I'll also leave an Amazon link down there. If you buy it through that, it's going to cost you a little bit more. So like I say, do it the other way. But I did notice they have these on Amazon, and I am an Amazon affiliate, so just for the sake of it, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link. I don't have too much else to say about this thing other than it works really well. It gets stuff really, really cold, and I mean, in a mini refrige, what else are you looking for? Small form factor, pleasant to look at, matches my toolbox. I mean, hey, what more could you ask for? You guys got any questions about this puppy? Again, look at the information down in the description, and leave me a comment, a question, a concern down there in the comment section. Till then, ta-ta for now.